Today I reach the subtle region to offer both to beloved Baba. As I reach the subtle region,
बाबा के करीब पहुंची
I reach very close to Baba.
तो बाबा के सामने एक ट्रेन के सफर का दृश्य बाबा देख रहे थे।
Baba was looking at the scene of a very comfortable journey.
बड़ी दूरदृष्टि होकर के देखते हुए
Baba, being far-sighted,
बाबा ने कहा कि
was looking at the scene.
ये ट्रेन का दृश्य देख रही है,
Baba said, "Child, are you seeing the train journey? What is the meaning of this?"
तो मैंने कहा बाबा इसका राज तो आप ही बतला सकते हैं।
I said, "Baba, you only can tell me the secret of this message."
इस अर्थ के साथ आपने आज दृश्य मर्ज किया है।
What is this meaning that you have showed me this scene?
बड़ी गहरी सोच में वो दृश्य को देखते हुए
Baba, while looking at the scene, thinking very deeply,
देखो बच्ची,
Baba said,
जब ट्रेन शुरू होती है
"Child, when the train begins,
और वह पहले थोड़ा धीरे चलती है,
it at first moves very slowly,
बीच में इसकी स्पीड तेज होती है,
and in between the speed will be little faster. Again, when the station comes,
चलना शुरू
it becomes little slow,
कहाँ
and again it becomes little faster, and then it stops in the middle of the forest,
फास्ट रीति से
and when it becomes late,
कर लेती अपने समय
it will cover very fast and reach on time.
पर सफर के राही
And the traveler who is having the train journey,
दुनिया के लोगों को
we are also in the same path.
सफर के राही,
Even the worldly people say
पर हम सभी
that we are travelers, but we, Baba's
इतना
children,
लंबा है,
we know that this traveling is so long, and how long it will go.
गौर से देख रहे।
Baba was seeing this very deeply.
बाबा ने कहा कि जैसे ट्रेन
Baba said, in the train,
शुरू से लेके अंत तक
from the beginning of the journey
अपने
until the end of the journey,
तो बैठना ही उसको,
the passenger has to sit,
उतरते भी हैं तो
and some they got up and they get down from the train in between.
कि बच्ची इस ज्ञान की मंजिल पर भी यही दृश्य बाबा बच्चों की स्थिति को भी बड़े प्यार से देखते हैं।
Baba was saying that Baba is also looking at this scene.
राही कौन कौन है,
This is the destination of knowledge, as who is getting in, who is getting out, and who is reaching their destination. Baba is saying this. Who are the ones who in between will get down? The one who gets their station
नहीं बच्ची,
will get down.
स्टेशन
But Baba said no. When the station comes,
भाव सब
the passengers will get down. But you have to understand the meaning.
तो जिसका स्टेशन आएगा वो
Whosoever station will come, they will definitely get down.
बड़े बुजुर्ग बड़ी उम्र के भी बैठे हैं
But the older ones,
और बीच में कोई छोटी एज की आत्मा चली जाती है,
and maybe the one who are young ones, even the young ones will have their half journey. They will get down and go
तो
out.
बाबा भी अपने बच्चों की मन की स्थिति को
So Baba was also seeing the stage of the mind of the children,
बाबा यह भी देख रहे हैं कि
looking at the time.
हर बच्चे का
Baba was
पुरुषार्थ
seeing
अपनी रीति से
each one are making their own efforts,
तीव्रता से
are intensifying their own efforts,
पहुंचने का चल रहा है।
and are intensifying their efforts to reach the destination.
ऐसा पाठ भी बाबा देख रहे हैं।
And Baba is also looking at the part of some.
रहा है,
Some are going,
अपनी स्थिति बना रहा है,
some are making their stage,
की ओर जा रहा है।
some are moving towards perfection.
शुरू से जब से बाबा आए और जब से बाबा के बच्चे बने,
From the day we have belonged to Baba,
बना,
there was the Brahmin
तब
family.
से हर एक ने यही लक्ष्य रखा
From then,
कि हमें
everybody has the aim
करना है,
that we have to attain our destination.
पहुंचना है।
We have to reach our destination.
अब वह समय, वह
So Baba said,
अपना स्थान भी आप ब्राह्मण बच्चों को अभी नजर तो आई,
you Brahmin children are looking at your destination. The destination is coming very close.
तो बाबा ने कहा कि इसलिए जैसे वो ट्रेन लेट होती तो कवर कर ली,
When the train is late,
उसी प्रकार आप
it will cover itself.
समय को
Similarly,
देखते हुए,
looking at the
समय
time,
की परिस्थिति को देखते हुए,
looking at the condition of the
अनेक
time,
प्रकार की बातों को देखते हुए,
looking at many things,
आप बच्चों को
Baba said,
अपनी पुरुषार्थ की स्पीड,
you children
चल तो रहे हैं,
have to intensify your
और
efforts.
बाबा ने कहा अपनी मंजिल
You are moving along,
आप बच्चों को पहुंच नहीं है,
but you have to definitely reach your destination because your destination is one,
और सफल
your path is one,
ऐसे बाबा बड़े प्यार से
your journey is one.
पिता से सुना भी रहे थे।
So Baba was saying all this.
सन्मुख भोग रखा,
I had already kept Baba and book plate in front of Baba.
प्यार करते हैं,
Baba accepted the book with a lot of love.
वह भी देते हैं,
Whosever remembrance will be, it will be given to Baba.
उनों की भी याद प्यार दी।
I also gave love and remembrance of the double foreigners to Baba.
बाबा ने कहा ये डबल विदेशी बच्चे
Baba said,
बहुत ही
the double foreign children
बहुत ही समीप
are very lovely
आत्माएं हैं,
and very
समीप से
close to my heart,
बड़े प्यार से इन्होंने परखा है,
and have known Baba very well,
बच्चे
are such cooperative children.
बहुत बाबा की तरफ से
On behalf of Baba, Baba
सभी को
said the child that the double foreigners have to be given my love and remembrance. I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down.